Have you ever wondered how milkshake is made? Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to make this simple strawberry milkshake alongside with its health benefits. I have some fresh strawberries over here. I'll go ahead and give it a quick rinse in order to get rid of dust and dirt. You can also choose to make use of frozen strawberries if you don't have access to the fresh ones. So I'll be removing the stem, then cut it into smaller chunks just for easy blending. So to make the milkshake, I'll be transferring some of the strawberry chunk into the blender alongside with milk. This is actually whole milk, or you can choose to use ice cream for your milkshake, alongside with sweeteners like sugar or honey just for extra sweetness. You can also add ice cubes if you want a more cool, refreshing taste. So I'll cover up the blender now and allow it to blend properly. So while that's blend, let's talk about some of the health benefits of consuming strawberry milkshake. It helps to boost the overall immunity of the body since it has lots of vitamin C. They contain antioxidants which help to promote healthy skin. They are rich in fiber for good digestion. They also help to support bone and muscle health. There are other health benefits of consuming strawberry milkshake, but this is just to mention a few. So after blending, our strawberry milkshake is pretty much ready. So I'll garnish mine with strawberry and a glass, or you can choose to use whipping cream for extra sweetness. So let me know in the comment section if you've had strawberry milkshake in the past, or if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Until then, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.